All right, everyone, welcome back to Trending Live, your favorite channel for all things tech, DIY, and making life just a little bit cooler.
Hey, what's up, folks? So, being an engineer, I'm used to random packages showing up at my door. I'm thinking, oh yeah, NVIDIA finally sent me their latest GPU to benchmark. I'm already dreaming of frame rates and epic unboxing shots. I rip it open, there's a note inside, and it's, how am I supposed to read this? So we've got a charger and these Bluetooth buds. I'm tempted to rip these apart too, but let's save that chaos for later. Stay tuned for when I inevitably dismantle them and probably make them worse, because that's the engineering way. All right, time to fix this charger. Step 1 of any legit repair, shake it like a maraca. Hear that? That's the sweet sound of broken dreams rattling around. What do you think? Something loose in there? Let me know in the comments. Let's test this bad boy. I've got my multimeter, set it to 20 volts, and a working charger to compare. Red wire's power, black's ground, white and green are data plus and minus. Should be 5 volts, right? Easy peasy. Okay, I'm holding the camera, the probes, and my dignity here. Bear with me. Red to white. .5 volts. Red to black. 2.8 volts. What? My multimeter's either haunted by a Viking ghost or also needs fixing. Let's just call 2.8 the optimal charging voltage and move on. Now the broken charger reads 0 volts, so something's toast. These snap-fit chargers are a pain. But I see a gap here. Got it. Old chargers had screws. These new ones just screw us around instead. Wait, what is this? Clay? Inside a charger? Is this some eco-friendly heatsink? Extra weight? Or did someone smuggle their pottery project in here? I didn't learn this in engineering school. Drop your wild theories in the comments. If I like yours, I'll fix something of yours for free. Deal? Let's dig in. The clay's taped to the PCB, yank it all out. Nothing obvious. Oh wait, a metal piece stuck in the tape. See this? It's from the power connection. Time for the soldering iron, my trusty sidekick. Hot enough? Yep. I'll slap some cardboard down for insulation. Don't judge my setup. More tin. I keep steel wool in the coil to clean it because stands are overrated. Done. It's not pretty, but it's mine. Let's see if it lives. Multimeter says 2.8 volts. Hey, that's my new favorite number. I'll tape it shut instead of gluing. Keeps it ready for round 2 of this madness. No explosions, no fire success in my book. And there you have it, folks. Another engineering win. Or, at least, it didn't burn my house down. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more chaos, and tell me in the comments, why clay and a charger? Seriously, I need answers. Next time, we'll tackle those Bluetooth buds, or whatever random junk lands on my doorstep. Stay trendy, stay live, see ya!